Alrighty, this is for a car shop, Candy Shop Creations, for their customer. Just got done running it. Give you a description. It's a combination. It's got AFR cylinder heads on it. Obviously it's Borla. It's got all blacked out throttle bodies, manifold, really beautiful. Obviously a beautiful Billet Specialties front end. It's got one of our custom grind solid rollers, custom pistons. So rear sump oil pan on it. Obviously fuel management, Holley Terminator X Max. Great system, very user friendly. Take you in there and show you how to ran. Alrighty, 3,500, 481 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like a peak's torque 535, and peak's horsepower 587. Rated at 600. Front end's about 15, so everything's good. We'll get her off there, get in a crate, come your way. Have a great day.